Hey, Farmer Joe, you still smoking crack? Poor bastard. I love crack. Crack rocks in the motherfucking carpet. Crack rocks on the
I was getting some head, getting some head. I was getting some head, getting some.
How about you let me hit it from the back?
I don't think that's what I'm supposed to do. Open that diaper, girl.
Oh shit, nigga.
Yo, Jasmine, I know you want this dick. I thought you were lying, you ain't get no pussy. Come on. No, not that kind of pussy, not that kind of pussy.
Hey, what's the answer? Man, I'ma act like I don't see this nigga. Nigga.
What the fuck does that mean?
You mean nigga, we ain't worry about nothing.
Oh shit, that's my song.
Get your drunk ass up. I'm not drunk. Who's gonna refill my cap? I think you've had enough. Let's just go home.
Fuck off me, nigga!
Now, I know I told your retarded black ass not to touch the goddamn sentence. I'm about to whoop your ass.
Nigga, relax. I'ma put you down with Sandy. Hey, fuck that nigga. Fuck a real boss nigga like me, you know what I'm saying?
Why are your knees so dirty? Oh shit, I forgot to clean them.
I've been sucking big old cock.
Me too, I suck dick like this.
Turn on the lights. You're not speaking. You wish you had that swag. Free bad gang, little nigga.